So to add Q&A on TikTok on iPhone, the process is quite easy and simple. Simply open up your TikTok app. So here we go. On iPhone, simply go and tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. So this would open up your profile. Now go and tap on these three dots at the right top corner. This would open up TikTok settings and privacy. So to before adding the Q&A on TikTok, you need to first be a creator account. So for creator account, you need to simply go to manage account. And in my case, I am already a creator account. So under the account control, you can see switch to personal account. In case if you have a personal account and you want to shift to creator account, you would see an option of switch to creator account here. So first you need to simply switch to creator account by tapping on that creator option. And if you go through the process, there will be an option to select a creator or business. Simply select a creator and it would ask you to select a field. So simply go and select the field and go back here. And now your creator account is created. So it's a simple process. So once your creator account is created, you will be able to see this creator option here on the settings and privacy. In case if you are unable to see that, you need to simply close the app and again start the app. Try to refresh this page. And if still you aren't able to see this, you need to simply reinstall your TikTok application. And by doing so, hopefully you will be able to see this creator option. So once you see this creator option, tap on here. And here you can see Q&A. So simply go and tap on Q&A. So here you can see an option of turn on Q&A. So tap on here. And now on TikTok, the Q&A option is turned on your iPhone device. So by doing so, you will be able to turn on Q&A on your profile on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.